Today's conditioning exercise is called exposure sock slides. We're going to warm up the legs with progression 1 starting in the center of the line. Foot position is going to be right here. Top of the arch, bottom of the ball mount. Okay? Find that foot position, stand up on the line, try to bring your feet together. Now we're going to slide to the right and then slide the left foot to meet the right. Once you've touched ankles, you're going to slide to the left and then drag the right foot to meet the left. That's 1. I want you to do that 10 times. Okay? So slide to the right, bring the left to meet, touch ankles, slide to the left, bring the right to meet, touch ankles. A little tip here for weight transition, I put the weight in my left foot as I slide to the right. Transition the weight to the right as I slide the left to meet the right. Touch ankles and then do the opposite. Weight in the right, slide the left, drag the right to meet the left, touch ankles. That's 2, again, 10 times in total to warm your legs up. A couple more examples. Transitioning between legs as you slide the feet. Okay, after you've done 10 of those, you're ready for progression 2. You start close to an anchor point. Bringing the legs together, touching the ankles. Slide to the right. Bring the left to meet the right. Touch ankles. Slide to the right. Bring the left to meet. And continue doing this motion all the way across. If you're losing it, bend the knees to try to regain balance. When you find that balance, try to straighten back up and continue. Okay, that's progression 2. Once you come all the way across the line, progression 3 is working the other side. So we're going to go back now. Slide to the left, have the right slide to meet the ankle, and continue going all the way across the line. Remember to breathe. Find something to look at that helps your balance. Once you've made it all the way across, you're ready to move on. We're going to combine those 2 exercises now. We're going to slide to the right, meet the left, slide back to the left, meet the right, back to the right, meet the left, and then slide to the right. Bring the left to follow, back to the left, to the right, and then to the right again. This is making us go across the line, but doing a little extra sliding along the way. Continuing this motion again until you make it all the way across the line. And you know we like to keep it even, so we want you to do the other side. Side to the left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left. Continuing this motion all the way across the line until you reach the anchor point. It's called exposure sock slides. Hope you like that one. Have fun. Be safe. Till next time.